Well, the Calcutta High Court on Monday granted permission to the Vishwa Hindu Parishad to hold a procession on Ram Navami in Howrah city. Now, the court has imposed certain conditions to ensure the event proceeds without tensions. Justice J. Sen Gupta permitted the procession, stipulating that no provocative slogans are to be chanted and that it must proceed without stopping en route on Ram Navami, which falls on Wednesday. Now, the court mandated that the procession will be held with a maximum of 200 participants and 5 volunteers will monitor that the number is not breached. Now, the West Bengal government had highlighted unrest during last year's procession, indicating an ongoing NIA investigation into the incident.
West Bengal is preparing to celebrate Ram Navami on a large scale. VHP and Hindu organizations want to go all out. According to the VHP, more than 1 crore people will participate in rallies all over Bengal across 70,000 villages. Over 200 Shobha Yatras are planned to celebrate this Ram Utsav.
बंगाल में राजनेता का द्वारा कुछ बयान अभी सामने आ रहा है जो दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। अपना स्वार्थ के लिए वातावरण खराब करने का ये प्रयास जनता बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगा।
Ram Navami celebrations have been marred by violence in Bengal in the past. Last year, riots broke out in Howrah and Rishra. That's prompted additional measures and restrictions imposed by the Calcutta High Court. The court has allowed a procession on the same route with only 200 people in Rishra, while in some other places the routes have been changed. The Chief Minister of West Bengal is sensing a ploy, making it clear that if things go awry, the Election Commission will be responsible.
আল্লাহর নামে প্রে করবেন, ওদের বিদায় চাইবেন, কিন্তু কেউ কোনো প্ররোচনায় পা দেবেন না।
The BJP is keeping the heat on the ruling Trinamool Congress.
I have the information Mamata Banerjee instructed some communal goons to create problem in Ram Navami, and all the allegation will go on the Election Commission in the same fashion as Mamata Banerjee did during the post-poll violence. So that is the ploy of Mamata Banerjee, that is the plan of Mamata Banerjee.
रामनवमी लेकर जो उत्साह है जनता का भीतर, हम लोग तो कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारा पार्टी का सभी कार्यकर्ता शायद इसमें शामिल हो जाएंगे। 500 साल की बाद रामलला अपने घर पे लौटा और उसी का साथ इस रामनवमी का महत्व तो कुछ और ही होंगे। लेकिन राम का देश है, बाबर का देश नहीं है। राम का देश में राम के लिए कोर्ट का परमिशन लेना पड़ेगा, तो इससे बड़ी आनंद का विषय और हंसने का विषय और क्या रह जाएगा जनता के सामने। और जितना राम की विरोध होगा पश्चिम बंगाल की जनता से, तृणमूल उतना ही दूर पे चले जाएंगे।
There is no doubt in it that there is going to be huge celebration of Ram Navami in Bengal. Starting from North Bengal to South Bengal, there will be several rallies and there will be several Shobha Yatras. The fact is, the Election Commission has also alerted the ADG Law and Order, and the administration too is strict. The court in 2 particular cases, in one case the court has given direction that they can have this rally with less number of people, because that is the place in Rishra where trouble took place last year. War of words is there as far as Ram Navami is concerned. But this Ram Navami definitely going to have political ramifications, says experts. This is Kumalika Sengupta with Anshuman Roy reporting for CNN News 18 from Kolkata.